joy nor pleasures part, nor delight in the goods of this world's breath. Yet reason turns my will and heart to singing, but I know not from what well. I may draw help to make a servant he's telling, an understanding such that it not displease the folk if I reprove them in their failings, ease wherein we all fail, and guard not from the snare where each is caught according to his sin's own share. And good deeds men let fall and cease, so loyalty hides itself away, and mercy dares not to appear in peace in any place, for each one covers its array. And covetousness shears and shaves and flays and robs and accuses and hangs without release, for no lord pays heed to any of these, but only that he briefly have the silver's weight of his own men, the clothes, the wine, the grain in state, then cares not if poverty drive them from their gate. Few are those who wish to fear and hold God, nor the commandments that are written and told, and they make all their god of golden fee, and believe that wealth will help them utterly at death, and they know not where they shall be when they have the Lord's commandment suddenly, that they come without delay his own plea. So grieving and sorrowful of fear we shall be when God has summoned us in our own state, if we have not satisfied our sin's own weight. And since nothing can avail us, as we see that we all pass through the grievous strait, and each one fears the falling from the height, from the valley where one falls so deep, so straight, how can we sleep a single sleep, or wait while we hold wrong against other folks' estate? For I see that a man dies sleeping as by fate, and otherwise, so I reprove us at any rate, the more us others who are laden with sins frayed, and remember not those who have passed the gate. Thus God lets us fall in a bait for the failings that are in us and our state, that he makes the Saracen so worthful and so great, that over us they are in pride and state. For the avenging of another's wrong here brings us hate, clerks and princes and the other folks' estate. Each one takes from the other what he may elate, and makes them fear well and grievously of late. And the sepulchre is wholly forgotten and its weight, and the land where Jesus Christ was born and walked in state. Jesus Christ leads us to judgment seat, according to the work each one is paid his meed. And truly he is a fool who keeps not this in mind, and